Vi är at Museo Storico Alfa Romeo.
Fai una foto qua.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, I feel sad. We can take it later when we come back. Entering the museum now. These are the first cars. Some racing cars. I think Formula 1. New one. Story of the pets. Starting from 1910. Engines, first aeroplane engine.
Essere accesi, spenti e regolati in intensità in maniera del tutto. Considerate che in tutto abbiamo circa 150 tratti luminosi e circa 8.200 tratti invertiti da sentire uno per uno.
First car. From 80s and early 90s, 2000. competizioni. From this blueprint. So many just prototypes. Carino, ceccato, Ital design. These are prototypes and not production cars. Older models from 30s, Mille Miglia. Vai in sinistra. Sì. 8 cylinder V. It's straight engine. Yeah, it's straight engine. It looks V engine, but it's straight 8 cylinder engine. Very special. Totally new to me. Juliet is super. So racing cars of Alfa Romeo, different in 1920s, starting 19 1923. Oh, wow.
Alfa Romeo, un nome, una storia, una leggenda. È un'epopea al di fuori del tempo, quella della esibizione davanti al lungo delle la casa del portiere.
More racing cars, racing engines, legendary drivers, or these are from 30s and 40s, I think. Long nose models.
E il quadrifoglio dipinto sul cofano come portafortuna diventa un vero marchio, il simbolo dell'anima sportiva di Alfa Romeo.
More newer racing models from 70s and going forward 80s. There's so many cars, special engine tipo 33 belong to this car. Test car of F1. It has potential, but they didn't. I think they didn't have money for F1 racing that time. DTM car from Deutsche Stock Car Championship 1993. New models of Alfa Romeo here. Every one of them, I think. Just every one of them. Here is the factory footprint, including everything. Those times. his department is for about all police cars of Italian police and Alfa Romeo. Carabinieri cars, Alfa 75, Giulia, Super, Alfa 90, and I think it was Alfetta, yeah. Walk out here. Bye bye. This was great. One of the best museums. See you.